we're trying to figure out the relationship between R and E. And E is the length of a side of the cube. Of course, all the sides are equal. And R is the radius. And I've tried to draw this. This sphere inside the cube touches the cube here, just touches it at those spots. And what I'd like for you to see is that the radius is 1/2 from this whole, 1/2 of going across like this. It's 1/2 the length of the edge. So that's all we have to do. There's nothing else to do. They just want to figure out the relationship. I hope that helps.